I've never been married, but if I was, I bet it would suck. Yeah, if I was caught up in this ring, I'd probably just sing another fucking song that would go right down the sink, down the drain. I can't complain, I deal with all this pain. I live my life in vain from the people I have slain. I'm not a super saint, but I'm super insane. You try to calm me down, I'm fucking busted round. I'm not the type to be putting down by some ruthless clown. You a little bitch. And I've become to leave some stitches in your ass real quick. Got to grab the cash and dip. I ain't running around in circles, I'm living in a straight line. You can't break a line like mine, I am one of a kind. Turn 1 into 9, then 9 into 20. You fucking with me, you'll be dead, honey. This ain't funny, got you bouncing like a bunny. Bounce off from me. Run around me cunning, I'ma grab my gun, I'm gunning on you bitches. Start running real quick, ho, I'ma go get them clothes up off your fucking body, though. So when I rock it like the fucking cold with the earth, when I come I was cursed since my birth. It's the worst, you could never stop this person hurting in the beats where I'm lurking. Stop and think, I gotta drop the beat, complicating everything I'm saying. Yeah, I'm straightening, ankles breaking, decaying, skulls in the brain's full, let it roll tenfold. I'm about to make you explode. I get rude, what the fuck you do? I'ma slap your hoe, probably make her look new, rude, got an attitude, dude. I'ma make you show what you got, but you don't got shit. Watch your spit drop. I watch it spit drop, tick tock the clock drop. I stop time and I do another crime. I rob a liquor store, I'm South Central. I come at your ass and I like to stall. I stall in the car, I stall on the road. Fuck the stop sign, I run it over G-code. Coming at your ass, nigga, so you best watch out. West side till we die, I'm stout. I'm packed, I'm gat loaded, NC bound, but West Coast know it. Blood till I die, that's what I cry. Blood out my face, yeah, I spray you with the mace. Tase, down on the ground. Now you looking at this bitch like, why you getting down? You some stupid nigga, I told you not to come. Now I gotta go up to my room and grab the gun. Pop, pop, he fell on the ground. Now we buried 6 feet in the underground. Ground and pound, motherfucker, that's all he knew last. And then this motherfucker saw his life flash before his ass. I said click, clack, pow. I said get back, wow. I said come with me, and I pulled the trigger, pow. Now I'm at his fucking funeral. Fucked his mom like wedding crashes. Ooh, bro, yeah, I'm beautiful. Beautiful like Eminem. Can't touch me, cause I'm like the Crip saying Crip Slayer. Motherfucker, you Mitch Vader. You can't touch this nigga because I'm a crazy. Wait. There we go again. A Mexican just ran across the border. Haha, I just sin. I lie, I joke, I kid, but I kill a nigga like Billy the Kid. I run, I stun, I light a match and smoke it. A Marvin style, what I'm doing, now talk it. I wrote it. He wrote it, not joking. I'm steadily smoking that herbal I be toking. Stop. Take a motherfucking thought from your brain, throw it on the fucking pot, cook it up like a steak. Eat it till you think again what you got, what you cooked up, you lived a life of sin, you a crooked little bastard. Boy.